Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to cook some hamburger soup. I had told Amber I was going to fix that, and she turned her nose up. And what in the world is hamburger soup? And Walter frowned. Now he's had it before. And he frowning. Hamburger soup. Yes, hamburger soup. Okay, I'm going to re-angle this camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm cooking on the stove, y'all. I ain't using no gadget. It's still too high. Okay. Okay, I got 2 1/4 pounds of 97% ground beef. And I'm using my new Thyme and Table black and gold cookware for the first time. Okay. So I'm going to cook the meat. And I always season my hamburger after it's done. So this is what I'll be using. I'm going to cook the meat. I'm just going to put different vegetables. Whatever I got in the cupboard or in the freezer, that's what I'll be throwing in here. String beans, whole kernel corn. I'm going to drain the water off. Some diced tomatoes. I might put some salsa in here. I'm going to use some Better Than Bouillon. This stuff here, just to help season it. I'm going to throw in these because it got carrots in it. And some chicken broth. And no, this will not taste like chicken. And different seasonings, including Old Bay, granulated onion, and granulated garlic powder from a black pepper. Some black pepper. So I'll be back when this meat is done. And I didn't put any oil in this pot. Okay, the hamburger has enough oil. And I might throw in a can of salsa in addition to the petite tomatoes. Not sure yet. Put this lid on and let this brown. And I will be back. Okay, the meat is done. And because this was lean, I don't have to drain out any oil. And you have to use oven mitts or pot holders with these handles. Let me show you. That's how the meat looks. And I use this meat breaker upper. So with that, now I'm going to dump in stuff. I'm going to drain this corn, put it in here. I'm going to season it, y'all. Drain these green beans. You can put in anything you want. Some people put in red beans or black beans. Where's the, oh, here it is. And then the mixed vegetables, I'm only using it because it got carrots in it. I like carrots. What else have I put in here? petite diced tomatoes. Oh my goodness. I just opened up a can of Rotel. It's basically the same thing. Diced tomatoes with green chilies. And I got some little bitty potatoes, the little bitty ones. And I'll cut up. I washed them. I didn't peel them. Not necessary. When they're that little, the skin is very, very tender. Let's see, do I want some more corn up in here? Where's that? And this pot I'm cooking in is a Dutch oven. That's what it's called. I'm putting in the chicken broth. Then I'm going to season it. I'm going to put all this in here. It's half a box. Okay. Now, put in the granulated garlic. I don't measure. Put in the granulated onions. Since you didn't see me chop up no onions up in here. I like to use the powdered form. Use some Old Bay. This has salt in it. I'm going to taste it before I add salt. Black pepper. And the bouillon, the better than bouillon. And that's salty, so be careful. Don't put too much. Just like bouillon cubes are salty. It's about a, what's that? About a quarter of a teaspoon. Use a little more. I could just kill this whole thing. I'll just use it all. I'll say a good teaspoon full. I want some red pepper up in here. Ouch. And some Worcestershire, or what's this here sauce? I put it in this spray bottle. Need to refill it. Using some crushed red pepper. Oh, I got some I had got with the pizza. We'll use that. I had pizza a few days ago. Oh, this is looking and smelling good already. Make just like you would make beef stew. With beef stew, you have bigger chunks of carrots and potatoes. Most people put in celery and onion and all that, but somebody here don't like that, so I don't put it in here. Get the red pepper. It's a packet of red pepper flakes I got with my pizza the other day. Let me smell it. Yeah. I'm not using all this. That's good. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna put a swig of ketchup up in here. Just regular ketchup. I want it to be more juicy. I have to add some more broth. Need salt. Using some Himalayan pink salt. About 1/4 teaspoon to start off with. I don't want to make it too salty. You can always add more salt, but you can't take it out. So I use 1/2 teaspoon. Add some more red Old Bay. Put some Frank's Red Hot sauce up in here. Just to give it a kick. It's not going to make it hot. Okay, we'll let this cook while I go find some more broth to put in here. You can add water if you want to. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I'm getting ready to take my drop biscuits out of here. This is my Savory air fryer oven. Turn the light off. Okay, these are my drop biscuits. This is what I use, just a mix. You add water only. Bisquick cheese garlic biscuit mix. So I just drop them on here. That's why they're all different sizes and shapes. I ain't making no rice. So So my food, my dinner is done. Move this over here. I added a little more chicken broth in here. So I like my soups juicy. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. If you add tortilla chips in here, you can make a tortilla soup or taco soup. I will get a thumbnail. Okay, here's my hamburger soup. All that goodness up in there. On a good thumbnail. Okay, there's my hamburger soup and my drop biscuit. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. About to get my eat on. I love soup. And it's cold outside here. Good, savory. I'll show you how this biscuit looks. One side is soggy because it was in there. You break it open. It's hot too. Oops. These biscuits cooked for 8 minutes at 450 in my Cicero air fryer oven. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Oh, it's before 3 o'clock. I'm tired. Bon appetit. Okay, bye.